safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Don't wanna be a one-man woman. Got me stranded like a boat in the sand. Just the thought of not spreading my wings drives me crazy.
to show y'all this small haul that I got. It's raining here and I just did not want to get out. So I'm going to show y'all what I had delivered. I got this Tide Simply Sensitive, and it's the cool cotton. Smells really good. Some Snuggle, Suavitel, trash bags, my favorite tropical punch, Ethan some more applesauce. I got some ground beef for dinner. Forgot to show y'all these. I picked these up from Ross. They're only $3. Y'all know my kitchen is the buffalo check, so that's gonna be for Christmas. And then I got this Christmas candle, spiced apple, smells really good, and I like the packaging. Yep, so that is it. Nothing much. It's pouring down here. I am so sleepy, trying to concentrate on working. I'm about to eat this for lunch. This is the sausage on a stick that I got from the fair. It was like an extra long one. I didn't eat it all, put it in the refrigerator. I just put it in the air fryer, put it on a bun, and that's what I'm eating for lunch. So let me know how y'all are doing on this Monday. I love y'all, and I hope y'all have a great, blessed day. I'll talk to y'all later.
I'ma need safety. Tell the op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty.
How y'all doing? It's me and Ethan. Fred and Ethan in Walmart, you dig? Ethan, where you at, boy? There go my boogie, man. Come on, boogie boy. That's the boogie boy. Don't be popping no Willis, boogie boy. Boogie boy in here asking for birthday stuff. He know the end of October coming, y'all, so he in here big again. Man, come on, man. That ain't what we came for. I always in here grabbing on something more than what we came for. I just want y'all to know me and Ethan in Walmart, though. Tell them, hey, boy. Yeah. We're going to get back with y'all in just a minute. So, come here. Y'all, we got Ethan 2 pair of uniform pants. Got to try them on for him. I know I'm probably doing this wrong, but we're going to work with it. And come on, Ethan. Man, come on. Why y'all popping willies and stuff? Pop willies? Go this way. Go this way. Bruh, go this way. I'm recording this. Your mama gonna see all of it. Yeah. Yeah. See how you about to wreck? See what I'm saying, y'all? Give me the disgruntled little boy. So what we got? Show them to him.
Pumpkin spice candles, but
Yes.
they have no pumpkin spice.
They have no pumpkin spice glaze. So I got
Don't
the
put this in
pumpkin
here, cause
spice
I'ma go.
candles.
Don't put this in here, cause I'ma go speed.
Man, nah, you finna go help me find this pumpkin spice. Oh, here they go. The pumpkin spice things, look.
I thought you said pumpkin spice.
What you got right there? How much is that? $10? I'll put that around the whole house.
This is up to 300 days.
Let me see that. Show it to him.
All the way up to 300 days.
No, but I think your mama got Glade.
Scratch and sniff.
Let me see. I don't got to scratch and sniff. We know what it is. You understand me? We gonna get that.
We gonna get this?
Pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice, here we come.
Man, say.
Where are we gonna put the pumpkin
I love the
spice?
pumpkin spice. In the
This one.
in the things. I gotta ask her, do we got Glade or Airwick?
We don't.
Loud. Yeah, I love this pumpkin spice. They ain't got none in sold out. So I want y'all to see.
88.40.
This one bag.
This 88.40. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bags
This
for
2
88.20.
This just a
1,
pair
2,
of
3,
jeans in this
4,
bag
5.
with some tissue.
4 things.
And
1,
Ethan
2,
got
3, 4, 5.
some Takis and a
5
soda, y'all.
5 things.
88.40.
88.40.
Say me. Last week it was 2 more items in there for $94.
That was $100.
$100. Sorry. I'm sick of Walmart. That's why I'm coming here.
I'm sick of
Man,
this Walmart.
yeah. We gonna have to stick to them.
Walmart, when we get like 5 things, it's 64 or $54 for 5 things.
Yeah, we done with Walmart. Walmart is a scam artist. So, y'all know what I forgot to tell y'all? That Ethan had a $10 hat in there, SpongeBob. I bought him some uniform pants, but he has to spend more money, because that's Ethan. But anyway, you guys, this is another day of Monday Saga with Ethan and Fred. We're gonna go to a different Walmart though next Monday. We ain't coming back here. I say that every time, but I be having to do stuff over here by this Walmart, so I just stop. But I will not stop anymore. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Will not be going on. You understand me? I was at work, Mug called me Grandpa. I said, nah, I ain't your granddaddy because I move too fast. I might have white hair like your granddaddy. Yes, Dad, that means I'm an elderly man, but I'm not your granddaddy. Your granddaddy at home or dead. Excuse me, but it's the truth. Y'all have a nice day.
Going, hey, look, I'm going, yeah, I'm going.
They didn't have no,
We already told him.
They ain't had no pumpkin spice spray, y'all. Woo, I got the candle. Yeah. Pumpkin spice, baby. Hey, y'all missed my little haul, but I'm gonna show y'all. I got some Alka-Seltzer Cold Plus. I got me some salon patches. Cause I'm going to the gym. Them old muscles be hurting. Still getting the groove on though. This for me and my wife. We like these. These keep you frilly, guys. When you use the restroom, keep you clean, boy. Continental, yes. You leave out of there feeling fresh, boy. Had to learn that from the women. So, I got my boy some blue uniform pants. It's winter time. His it's becoming winter time. His shorts. He got a bunch of shorts. He can't wear them right now, so I got him some blue khakis and put his other khakis in the cleaners. Oh, and I got me this, y'all, just for work. I can wear those $10, but it look like it cost about $50. My boy come over here and he always cunning me, y'all. So he told me it was $9. Boy, hat was 12 something. I got it on the receipt.
I got the SpongeBob one, but I couldn't fit it.
Yeah. Oh, so then you went and put it back and got the hot.
I couldn't fit my head.
Anyway, y'all, that's all I got, I think.
and some tissue.
Oh yeah. You know what I mean? I'm old, I forget. And I got this tissue. This a good buy once a week, 9 rolls, say, man. Can't go bad, can't go sad.
Uncle, you're gonna have to buy it next week. Uncle Tim bringing that. He had to go on a long haul, but he said as soon as he get back, he bringing that.
I just wanted y'all to see what I got. I don't be getting a lot, man. Me and Ethan be doing a little clowning on Monday. I got a little footage I'm gonna shoot to y'all. You know what I mean? Keep it up. Peace.
I put a lock on the game, I put a stock in my name, but I give a f about the fame. I took a bite out of life and it tastes so exquisite, it feel like you do when you look in my pendant. Hopeless romantic, my girl, chin up for the kid, I'm not on no simps. Won't stop till the youngest he dreams, wanna take him from rags to riches. I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie, the f is your friendship. I need the loyalty, back up the royalty, I give a f if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me, big weight.